My name is Amit and I'm a mentor at MBAG. We are a CAT training institute based in Patna. We're looking at this numbers question based on HCF. It goes like this. HCF of two numbers is 4. दो नंबर है, मान लेते हैं N1 और N2 एंड इनका HCF 4 है, N1 एंड N2 एंड इनका HCF 4 दे रखा है. ओके और कहता है कि इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट दैट इज N1 इंटू N2 is 1680. Question में how many such pairs are possible? This is my question. Okay. Now see, जैसे कभी भी दो नंबर का HCF 4 है तो इसे हम क्या कंक्लूड कर सकते हैं? See, no, जैसे लेट अस टेक एन एग्जांपल टू अंडरस्टैंड फर्स्ट. जैसे मान लेते हैं कि अगर हम लोग ले लें 16 और ले लें 12. ठीक है, 16 और 12 तो हमें पता है कि 16 और 12 का HCF क्या होगा? 4 होगा. HCF is 4 and we can write 16 as 4 into 4 and we can write 12 as 4 into 3. So HCF into 4 is my first number, HCF into 3 is my second number. Okay. Take another example. Let's say we take 10, 35 and 40. I know 5 is my HCF. 5 is the highest common factor. So we can write this as 5 into 2, we can write this as 5 into 7, we can write this as 5 into 8. So LCM, HCF into 2, HCF into 7, HCF into 8. So we can always write numbers in terms of HCF if the HCF is known. So if HCF of N1 and N2 is 4, we can write N1 as 4 into some number and we can write N2 as 4 into some other number. But now you should also be careful that this is HCF into 4, HCF into 4. This is HCF into 3. Between 4 and 3 there is nothing common and that is how it should be. For example, we can also write it as 2 into 8 and we can also write it as 2 into 6. So you can say अगर 2 HCF होता तो ये 2 into 8 होता, ये 2 into 6 होता, बट ये पॉसिबल नहीं हो रहा होगा क्योंकि 8 और 6 में 2 कॉमन है. तो चूंकि हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर 4 है, इसका मतलब 4 छोड़ के और कुछ भी कॉमन इनमें नहीं है. तो 4 इंटू 4, 4 इंटू 3, 4 ही कॉमन है. इसका मतलब जो बाकी दो नंबर बचा यहाँ पे 4 और यहाँ पे 3, इनमें कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं होगा. तो यहाँ पे भी जब HCF 4 है, so we can take N1 as 4x and we can take N2 as 4y, but we should also understand that there is nothing common between x and y. X and y are co-primes. There is nothing common between them because whatever common is there in HCF. This is the highest common factor. There is nothing else common. So x और y में कुछ common नहीं होगा. That you should understand. So now we can put it here, substitute here. N1 की जगह 4x डाल देते हैं, N2 की जगह 4y डाल देते हैं, तो ये आ जाएगा 16xy is 1680 और we can say x into y is 105. ओके और हमें पता है x और y में कुछ कॉमन नहीं होना चाहिए, राइट? सो क्या क्या हो सकता है? 1 into 105, कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं है. 3 into 35, 3 और 35 में भी कुछ कॉमन नहीं बिकॉज यहाँ पे 3 है, यहाँ पे 5 और 7 है, 5 into 7. So there is nothing common. We can write it as 5 into 21. यहाँ पे 5 है, यहाँ पे 3 into 7 है. There is nothing common. We can also write it as 7 into 15 because यहाँ पे 7 है, यहाँ पे 3 और 5 है. There is nothing common. So there are 4 ways of taking pairs of x and y. So we can have our corresponding numbers also. Numbers क्या हमारे n1 और n2. तो अगर x 1 है, if x is 1 and y is 105, तो नंबर्स क्या हो जाएगा? सी नंबर्स हो जाएगा 4. नंबर्स क्या है? 4x और 4y. सो 4 into 1 4, 4 into 105 कितना हो जाएगा? 420. दिस इज वन पेयर. 3 और 35 ले लेंगे तो कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग पेयर आएगा 4 into 3, 4 into 35, so 12 and 140. 5 and 21 ले लेंगे तो 5 into 4 20 और 21 into 4 84, so this is थर्ड पेयर. 7 और 15 लेंगे तो 4 into 7 28 और 15 into 4 60. So this is my fourth pair. So this and this, these two, these two, these two. How many pairs are possible? 4 pairs are possible. So my answer for this question is 4 pairs are possible. A very easy question as far as CAT goes. But again, this was based on a simple idea that if HCF is given, we can take numbers as 4x, 4y, 4z. If HCF of 4 numbers are given to you as say, let's say 6, So we can take numbers as 6k1, 6k2, 6k3 and 6k4 and accordingly proceed. The idea is that there should be nothing common between k1, k2, k3 and k4. Similarly here 4x and 4y, there should be nothing common between x and y. So that is the basic idea. I hope you have understood the question. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.